all about the four seasons. Summer. In the summer, it is very hot and the sun shines very bright. Summer is a good time for swimming. Summer is a good time to go to the beach. You eat ice cream in the summer. You eat watermelon in the summer. Fall. In the fall, it starts to cool down and trees begin to lose their leaves. Fall is a good time for camping. You play in the leaves in the fall. You see the different colors of leaves. Winter. In the winter, it is very cold and there is snow everywhere on the ground. Winter is a good time for hot chocolate. You go sledding in the winter. You celebrate Christmas in the winter. You make snowmen in the winter. Spring. In the spring, it is warm and flowers begin to bloom. Spring is a good time for gardening. You see a butterfly in the spring. Which season is your favorite? Mine is summer.